Who was known as the father of Indian railways? Answer is B. Lord Dalhousie. Which is the largest plateau in the world? Answer is D. Tibetan Plateau. Among the following elements, which is present in a major proportion in the air? Answer is B. Nitrogen. Which is the capital of Assam? Answer is B. Dispur. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is A. Itanagar. Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer is D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? Answer is B. M.S. Swaminathan. Who is known as the father of genetics? Answer is D. Gregor Mendel. Who is known as the father of the Internet? Answer is C. Win Curve. Which of the following article is associated with the right to education? Answer is A. Article 21A. Which of the following article is known as heart and soul of the Constitution? Answer is D. Article 32. According to the Indian Constitution, Article 14 to 18 deals with which of the following rights? Answer is B. Right to equality. Which planet in the solar system is known as the red planet? Answer is C. Mars. Which planet is called the Earth's twin? Answer is A. Venus. Which part of the sun is visible during a total solar eclipse? Answer is B. Corona. Which is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn pass? Answer is A. Africa. Which is the longest river in the world? Answer is B. Nile. Which is the longest river in India? Answer is A. Ganga River. Which is the largest state in India? Answer is C. Rajasthan. Which is the largest state in northeast India? Answer is C. Arunachal Pradesh. Meghalaya is the dash largest state of northeast India. Answer is B. Third. Entomology is the study of. Answer is A. Insects. Cytology is the study of. Answer is A. Cells. Who wrote the Great Gatsby novel? Answer is D. F. Scott Fitzgerald. Who wrote the book Wealth of Nations? Answer is A. Adam Smith. Broken Wings was written by whom? Answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first emperor of the Maurya dynasty? Answer is A. Chandragupta Maurya. Who is known as the Iron Man of India for his role in uniting the country after independence? Answer is A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? Answer is C. 1885. The First War of Indian Independence, also known as the Sepoy Mutiny, took place in which year? Answer is A. 1857.